but this one is really means a lot because I went full circle already from being a mere participant to now mentoring young people. This brings more hope to our country. You know, it's really hard to be away from our country, knowing that we've suffered a lot of calamity already. But what we're bringing is that we're very hopeful for what we can bring to our country when we get back, knowing that in calamities is one of the sources of our causes of disability in the Philippines, and we know that all the things that we've learned, and together with young people, young athletes with me now, we know that we can make a difference to our country when we get back home to the Philippines, and all the things that we have learned, the stories and the people, and to my fellow participants, the coaches and the athletes. This is not, I think this is not the end of the program, but it is a beginning of a new chapter wherein we become global citizens already, knowing that sport, we share the same struggles, the same issues, you know, the same successes through sport, and that's a really good validation of being part of something big, you know, and to be able to be part of this program, it's something that we will cherish forever, and I'm grateful for Ryan, for Tyler, and for Shara, and for everyone that's behind this program. You know, we assure you that, you know, we will change more lives when we get back to the Philippines. We are very excited to share with you that all the things that we learn, we'll be applying it to our country.